Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by using the Google account that will collect photos. Create a dedicated Drive folder or a Google Photos album so files stay organized. This avoids mixing personal images. Once done, open the folder's share settings and change access from restricted to anyone with the link or specific people, depending on privacy needs. Make sure to grant editor permission for a Drive folder so users can upload. This initial setup saves time and prevents permission errors when people start sending files. Next, generate the actual link that lets others add photos. For Drive, copy the folder link after setting editor permission. People can drag files into that folder from a browser. If you need structured inputs like captions, build a Google form with a file upload field and share its link. Responses and files are stored automatically. For Google Photos, open an album, enable collaboration or join by link so contributors can add. Test the link in an incognito window to confirm uploads succeed before sharing widely. Finally, share the link with clear instructions, accepted file types, size limits, and optional naming conventions. Once people upload, verify files landed in the correct folder or album and watch your storage quota. Move or organize items if needed. If upload fails, first confirm the shared link still has editor or collaborator access and that your Google storage isn't full. Also advise contributors to try incognito mode, clear cache, or switch browsers. If persistent, revoke and recreate the share link to reset permissions quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.